To connect PostgreSQL with a Spring Boot application, you need to configure the data source and use Spring Data JPA for easier database interactions. Here's how to do it. Add PostgreSQL dependency. In your pom.xml, add the PostgreSQL JDBC driver and Spring Data JPA dependencies. Configure application.properties. In the src/main/resources/application.properties file, configure the PostgreSQL connection settings. Replace my database, my user, and my password with your actual PostgreSQL database details. Create entity class. Create a JPA entity class that maps to your PostgreSQL table. Create a repository. Use Spring Data JPA to interact with the database. Run your Spring Boot application. Run your Spring Boot application and it will automatically connect to PostgreSQL, enabling you to perform database operations via the user repository.